Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to Languages with Sarah. I'm your Italian teacher Sarah and today you can learn quick Italian with me. I'll post every day a video so you can practice your Italian with me every day. And remember, please don't skip the video. This video is very helpful for all of you. So let's begin. Iniziamo. Our first phrase is someone. Someone in Italian is qualcuno. Qualcuno, sometimes, a volte, sometimes, a volte, something, something in Italian is qualcosa, qualcosa. Now let's move on to our next phrases. Somehow, somehow in Italian is in qualche modo, somewhere, da qualche parte, without me, senza di me, without, senza, mi, di me. Somehow in Italian is in qualche modo, somewhere, da qualche parte. Without me is senza di me, senza di me. Next one is I eat. I eat in Italian is io mangio. Repeat after me if you want. I eat, io mangio. Are you okay? Stai bene? Stai bene. Are you stai? Okay, bene. Are you sure? Are you sure in Italian is sei sicuro. Sei sicuro for the masculine one and sei sicura for the feminine one. Next one is are you done? Hai finito? Are you? Hai done. Finito. Are you ready? Sei pronto? Are you ready? Are you? Sei ready? Pronto. Are you busy? Sei occupato for the masculine one and sei occupata for the feminine one. Repeat after me if you want. Are you done? Hai finito. Are you in Italian is hai and done finito. Next one is are you ready? Sei pronto? Are you? Sei pronto? Ready. Are you busy? Sei occupato? Remember, occupato for the masculine one and occupata for the feminine one. If you all like the video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. I upload every day a video so you can practice your Italian with me every day. Ciao, arrivederci.